Good morning. The first lesson for this week is on determinants, and we're going to look at a 2x2 and a 3x3 matrix. So when we're looking at matrices, we know that they're arranged by rows and columns. And if it's a square matrix, it has the same number of rows as it does columns. So the only ones that we're going to consider right now is a 2x2 and a 3x3. Every square matrix has a determinant. And the determinant of a matrix is really just a number. So we're using those same two. To find the determinant of a 2x2 matrix, you actually did this when you were finding inverses. So you take your front diagonal. So when I say front diagonal, you're going this direction. So you're going to take 1 times 0 minus the back diagonal. So 3 times the -1/2, which gives us a 3/2. So I say the front diagonal minus the back diagonal. With a 3x3 matrix, it's a little more complicated. So what we have to do is we have to start in one spot. So here we're starting with this -3. So we put the -3 here, and then we kind of eliminate those rows. So you can see that there's a dotted line crossing it out. Then we do the determinant of this 2x2 matrix that's down here in the corner. So we're going to take 0 times 11 minus a -3/4 times 180. So that's our first piece. Now we have to do this 3 times. We have to do this for the 8 and the 1/4 as well. So when we do that, we continue on. Here's our first piece. But notice here that there's a subtraction sign. So our signs are going to alternate. So we're going to put a minus. Again, we're going to put that number that's there. We're going to put that 8. We're going to cross off that row and column that the 8 is located in and do the matrix for the 2, 4, and the -3/4 and 11. So again, you're going to do the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. You're going to take 2 times the 11. So your front diagonal minus your back diagonal, which is your 3/4 times 4. So that's our second piece there. The last one, you're going to take your last number here. And notice again, we rotate our sign so it's positive. So we have 1/4 times, again, looking at that matrix that's left, when you cross off that row and column, you're going to take 2 times 180 and 0 minus 4. So then you're going to calculate all of those and you get a specific solution. So when you are doing a 3x3, you have to do it 3 times. So you have to do 3 separate pieces. And notice that the signs will switch. And then you're doing the multiplying that value times the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. If you need any assistance with this or anything else, please make sure that you contact me. I'd love to hear from you. Have a good week.